Understanding decorated in honor. Dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of English phrases, focusing on a very special one: decorated in honor. This phrase holds a lot of meaning and is used in various contexts, which we'll explore together. So, stay tuned to uncover the depth behind these words and how you can use them in your daily English conversations. Let's start by breaking down decorated in honor into two parts. The word decorated refers to the act of making something look more attractive by adding items that are beautiful or meaningful. This can involve anything from hanging pictures on a wall to adorning a space with flowers or ribbons. The phrase, in honor of, suggests that this decoration is done to show respect or to celebrate someone or something. When we put the two parts together, decorated in honor means decorating a place or an object to show respect, admiration, or celebration of a person, event, or achievement. Examples in different contexts. 1. Military and public service. A hall might be decorated in honor of soldiers who served in the military, showcasing medals, flags, and photographs to honor their bravery and sacrifices. 2. Personal milestones. A family home could be decorated in honor of a graduation, with banners, balloons, and pictures celebrating the graduate's achievement. 3. Memorials. Public spaces or events might be decorated in honor of influential figures who have passed away, using items that symbolize their contributions or the impact they had on society. 4. Cultural and religious celebrations. Places of worship or community centers might be decorated in honor of significant religious or cultural holidays, reflecting the traditions and values of those observances. Tips for using the phrase. Be specific about the honoree. When using this phrase, it helps to specify who or what is being honored, to provide clarity and context. Use it in formal and informal settings, while decorated in honor can be used in formal speeches or writings. It's also perfectly suitable for casual conversations, especially when talking about personal achievements or family celebrations. Understanding and using phrases like decorated in honor enriches our language and helps us communicate more effectively about our values and the things we cherish. It's a beautiful way to express admiration, respect, and celebration through our words and actions. Moreover, it highlights the universal human desire to commemorate the people and moments that have a significant impact on our lives, bridging cultural and linguistic gaps. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and usage of decorated in honor. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and depth of this phrase, inspiring you to incorporate it into your English vocabulary with confidence. Whether you're talking about a grand celebration or a humble gesture of respect, remembering the significance behind decorating in honor will surely enrich your conversations and connections. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.